What's wrong? What are you doing?
This is it then. It's with love.
I said, you're all right as long as Rodney doesn't shoot. And actually came and it's not cute. I might eat my words.
Stranger things have happened. Guesses what it is? It's not a ukulele, sadly.
A musical instrument?
No, sadly.
Oh, I know why she wanted all the bubble wrap. Well, I don't think the last one was it, did it? Yes, this is awesome.
You can be an animal with it.
I am being an animal.
Oh! Why don't you go and get a scissor in the kitchen? Whoa!
Looks like an African tom-tom.
Yeah, and who doesn't want an African tom-tom?
Do you know what this is? I have no idea. You didn't even tell me, Captain. What in the name of God? It must be very fragile to the wrong trip.
It is very fragile.
Is it? Oh. I might be booking him in for cancer. Well, actually, I think it's lovely.
Oh,
I love it.
she thinks it's lovely.
I love it. It's very good. Did Rodney choose that? That sounds very good. I think that is lovely.
It's for Whitby.
Well, I blinking adore it. What do you think of that? I do love it. That is so nice for Whitby, isn't it? Oh, thank you.